Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A34. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable OK Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now you are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be scattered showers with a high of 61 and a low of 47.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.